In front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray, which means that location is disabled. To enable it, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. If you wish to, you can also go into Settings and scroll to access Location section over here. Then manage it thanks to this switcher next to Use Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!